Hi friends, in the previous video you learnt about prime factorization and zero division. So the prime factorization is a very important concept. It can help you find two things. Okay, number one, it can help you find GCD of a number. Okay, GCD of a number, which is also known as greatest common divisor. It means a particular number that divides two numbers perfectly. Okay, but that has to be a greatest number. Okay, and there should not be any number greater than that. Okay, for example, if I take 2 and 4 as two numbers and I want to find the greatest common divisor between these two, so which is a number which is a number that divides both 1 and 2 and 4? It is obviously 1. So 1 can divide 2, 1 can divide 4, right? But doesn't help, okay, because this is not the greatest number. Okay, you can divide 2 and 4 by 2 itself. So if you divide it by 2, then also the operation is successful. So the 2 is greatest common divisor of these two numbers, 2 and 4. Okay, so this is what I meant by greatest common divisor. Okay, so let me wipe this out. Okay, coming back to the greatest common divisor again. So how do you find greatest common divisor of two numbers using prime factorization? It's very simple. Suppose you have a number given 4 and 8. You want to find the GCD of this number, so you write it like this. Okay, so GCD is a function, and if you write something like this, then you have to find a number that divides 4 and 8 both in such a way that there is no number greater than that particular number. Okay, the greatest common divisor of these two. So first you have to find all the prime factors of these two numbers. Okay, so if you remember my last video, how to find prime factors, if you don't know it, go to that video and watch it, and then you can come back to this once again, or you can just watch it and watch that previous video later. Okay, so I'm going to find all the prime factors. So just list out all the prime factors. 4 is 2 into 2, 4, that's why I written like this, and 8 is actually 2 into 4, but 4 is not a prime number, so we can divide it more like this, 2. Okay, now you have got all the prime factors, and you can make a table. Okay, simply make a table of 3 columns. In the first column you write it for 4. Let me change the color. In the first column you write it for 4. In the second column you write it for 8. Okay, so what are the factors? 2 and 2. And in the second column I will write all the factors of 8, which is 2, 2 and 2. Now what you have to do is simply go ahead and match all the common factors. So what are the common prime numbers? 2 and then 2. Okay, leave this alone because this doesn't have any common factors, so, or any matching number, so just leave it alone. You got 2 and 2, and 2 and 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So this is your greatest common factor. Okay, let's verify our result. So 4 by 4, it goes 4 by 8 goes by 2. Okay, so it's the greatest common factor. Okay, so let's find out one more. Let's find a common factor for one more number. This time I should take a bigger number. I should do it slowly so that you can understand. Okay, now this time I'm going to find GCD of, I can find GCD of two bigger number. Okay, GCD of two bigger numbers, say 42 and 56. Okay, I need to find GCD of these two numbers equal to, I don't know the number. So first we do prime factorization. Okay, and simply make a table of all the factors. So for this one for 42 and this one for 56. Okay, then list out 42 and find the factor. So how many times 42 goes? 7 into 6 is 42. 7 is a prime number, so leave it. 6 can be divided into 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6, so we can leave it because 3 is prime number, 2 is a prime number. Okay, now next one is 56. Again it goes by 7, so 7 into 7 8s are 56. 7 is prime number, 8 is not, so further subdivide into 4 and 2. Yes, 2 is prime number, 4 is not, so further divide it into 2 and 2. Okay, so if you do that, you have to list all the prime numbers here. 7 3 2 and that's it. For 56 it is going to be 7. Just take the outer number, all the outer ones. 7 2 2 and 2. So now you have to match 7, we get 7, we get 2, and that's it. So 7 into 2 is going to be 14. That's our prime number. That is our answer. Okay, so now we can verify this. If you want, you can just simply go ahead and verify this. And to verify, all you need to do is divide each of that number with the prime factors. Okay, let me take it. Okay, so first 42 divided by 14. So 14 3 times it goes by 3 times 14 is 42. Okay, and now 56 is actually 14. 4 times is 56. So there is no other number that can there is no other number that can divide 42 and 56. Okay, except 14. So that is why GCD of 42 and 56, GCD of 42 and 56 is 14. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and you can practice more examples like this to understand it better. Okay, with that, I'll meet you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel.